How many events have you joined this year? What were they about?
I have joined more than 10 events so far, most of which were about education.
What was your most memorable event?
The most memorable for me was an international study conference in which I was introduced to some famous universities in Europe to study overseas.
Was it organized indoors or outdoors?
It was an indoor event.
Who sponsored the event?
The event organizer was the Education Department of American Center, but the universities introduced in the conference were the ones who paid.
Who went to the event with you?
I went there with my friends, who shared the same interest in studying abroad as me.
What were some performances in the event?
There were not many performances. Each university representative just had a speech to introduce their school to students, and then they hosted Q&A session.
Was the event shown on TV?
The event was not aired, but there were television advertisements for it.
How would someone market an event?
Taking advantage of social media is a smart way to promote an event.
Now you will practice the conversation you have just learned by listening and looking at the questions. Then you pause the video and answer yourself. You must listen and watch the conversation a few times and look it up to make sure you fully understand the questions and answers. Don't worry if your answers are wrong or short. All are acceptable. If you don't know the answer, watch the conversation again and continue doing so until you pass all the questions. This way you will quickly increase your communication skills.
How many events have you joined this year? What were they about? What was your most memorable event? Was it organized indoors or outdoors? Who sponsored the event? Who went to the event with you? What were some performances in the event? Was the event shown on TV? How would someone market an event?